Hello student, today I am going to explain you list in HTML. HTML is web language, we know very well. List is used to create information or data in order, ascending and descending order. You know very well, many type of list we can create. You can see in Excel also bullet type of list, number type of list. So in a web language we also can create three types of list: unnumbered list, numbered list, definition list. Unnumbered list is also known as unordered list. Unordered means there is a no order defined, means where is a start point and where is a stop point we not able to define. The unnumbered or unordered list are bulleted list. Okay, so to make an unnumbered and bulleted list, we have three steps. First, start with an opening list. ul stands for unnumbered list. Second point, enter the li list item tag followed by the individual items, means for every items, like if you have 5 items you have to define 5 li tags. Okay. Third point is in the entire list with the closing list ul tag. Yeah, it is very much that when you open any tag you must have to close this tag too, because without closing of those tag code will not able to particularly perform. Okay, so you can see this example, ul. After that 3 li tag is open. In first li tag apples are defined, second bananas, third in grapefruits, and after the completion of list items ul tag is closed. After the running of this program the result will be bullet forms apple, banana and grapes. You can see, you can perform these example in your computer notepad. But for list to create an attractive list we can use attributes. Okay, we know that attribute is used to define in a tag. Why we use attribute? Because attribute gives the formations for any tag. Okay. uh, Now in a unnumbered list we can use three types of attribute: dice, circle and square. Here in example you can say to display various boolean types. You can see after here three types of, in a first ul, in a second ul, in a third ul, three types are defined. In first ul tag, type equal to dice are defined, and a number of three items are defined here, li1, 2 and 3. In second ul tag, circle defined. In third ul tag, attribute square is defined. After these creation of programs you can see the result, this. Okay, because in a first ul we define dice attribute. In a second ul we define circle, is bulletin, holy bulletins, and in third we define a square. So when we define these kind of attributes in a unnumbered list, so we get this kind of web page, this kind of information in a web page. Now come to the second list. The name of second list is unnumbered list, or you can say order list, means we can create our items in ascending order. Okay, so an order list can be defined with ol tag, ol opening and ol closing. Ol defined for ordered list. Li is also used for list item. It is used in both ordered, unnumbered and ordered. You can see in this example, look at here, ol, li is open, orange, peaches and grapes, three items are defined is also here. And after the running of this program, three numbers are, one more things here, no attribute is defined, but by default 1 2 3, means by default sequentially number is take always. So you have to know very well, means order list can take by default numbered. What it takes? Number. It takes number type of attribute. So 1 2 3 can define. First one is orange, second one peaches and three one is grapes. Some attribute is also used in a ordered list. Here you can see in this table, ordered list table, you can see capital A. When we define type capital A, then it will take capital A, B, C type of sample of sequence. When we take small a, then it takes lower letters. When I take capital I, capital Roman numbers, then it take capital numbers for a sequence. When I take a small I, then it takes Roman number. And when I take 1, it's take Arabic numerals. Okay, and you must know very well, as I in previous we discussed that when we not define any type, it takes number. Okay, so uh, uh, let me see the example. On start equal to type equal to I. Here start is the attribute to set the starting value of items. Okay, means when I start list our list from 5 numbers or 6 numbers or any other numbers, when we define here start, and whatever value we want to start, we can define within a start value. So here start equal to 8, and type means we give type equal to small I, means all the types will take lower Roman numbers. Okay, so after the running of this program, the list will be start from 8, 9 and 10. You can see this example. Head HTML tag all defined, numbers list heading tag is defined, OL order list defined. First item is apple, second banana, third orange, or list is closed. Then again heading is defined, third order list start, and type given is capital A, and 3 items are defined. Then next order list is defined, type small a and start with 5. There is also 3 items are defined. Then OL type capital I start from 11. Then 3 items are already defined. You can define whatever you want. So in the last list type small I and start from 5. After the completion of after the creation of this code, when we run this program, then this type of output we can find. Numbered list, you can see 1 2 3. Letter list capital A B C, lowercase letter. This whatever we define means in a HTML, it must that whatever you want to display in a web page, you can create with the help of codes. Okay, now the third is definition list. Third list, which is very important, definition list. In the definition list, we can create multiple definitions in a single web pages. Like when we have 4 definitions to display in a single page, then we can take definition list. So definition list is used DL tag and dt used for definition title, to represent definition title. Like if I want to definite hardware, then I can define hardware in definition title. And dd is represent definition description. DD represent definition description, means when you give NCSA, this here NCSA is the dt means definition term, or you can say definition title. NCSA the national center of, and in DD term, in the DD tag we define the definition of NCSA. Okay, you can create many definitions in a DL tag. Okay, after the run of this program, you can see the result here, NCSA, like this. It's below in this defined NCSA and Cornell Theory Center. Okay, so definition list is used to create multiple definition in a single plate form. It is very important. After that nested list, you can see I already explained numbered list, unnumbered list, and definition list, and last is nested list. Nested list means when 2 or more list can combine together in a single platform, then it will become nested list. Mean, as you know, nested means mix. Okay, here is a sample nested list. UL you know, unordered list item I given. UL again I defined, circle type is there. Li 3 items are there. UL close, then Li is open, again UL is open. Means when 2 or more lists are combined together is known as nested list. So I explain you 3 types of list here: numbered, unnumbered, definition, and order. So now you can understand these lists and make your notes in your notebook. Thank you.